Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in party supplies. Today, we have something truly special for all the Plant vs. Zombies fans out there. Introducing the 92-piece Plants game Zombies Party Favors set, featuring everything you need to throw an unforgettable Plant vs. Zombies themed party. From keychains to button pins, bubble stickers, and 3D stickers, this set has it all. Let's talk about quality. These party favors are made of high-quality materials, ensuring they're safe, non-toxic, and durable. Plus, they're reusable, lightweight, and sturdy, making them perfect for kids of all ages. But the fun doesn't stop there. These party favors are not just for parties. They make fantastic gifts for any occasion, whether it's for birthdays, school events, or simply to brighten someone's day. So, if you're ready to level up your next party with the best Plant vs. Zombies party supplies on the market, look no further than this 92-piece party favors set. Order now and let the fun begin. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting reviews. Until next time, party on!